Have you ever wondered if you can still use Trello, your favorite project management tool, when you're offline? Maybe you're planning a trip to a remote location or simply want to avoid distractions while working. Let's dive into the question. Does Trello require internet? Before we answer that, let's quickly recap what Trello is. It's a popular visual collaboration tool that helps you organize tasks, projects, and ideas using boards, lists, and cards. It's a great way to stay on top of your work, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team. Answering the question, does Trello require internet? The short answer is no. Trello does not strictly require an internet connection. However, there are a few caveats to consider. Offline mode. Trello offers a limited offline mode. This means you can view your boards, lists, and cards, and even make changes to them. However, your updates won't be synced to the cloud until you reconnect to the internet. Limitations. While offline mode is convenient, it does have its limitations. You can't create new boards, lists, or cards, and you can't add or edit attachments. Additionally, any changes you make while offline might be lost if you don't reconnect to the internet within a certain time frame. Sync frequency. The frequency of syncs depends on your internet connection and Trello's server load. If you're in an area with poor internet connectivity, you might notice delays in syncing your changes. Benefits of using Trello offline. Despite its limitations, using Trello offline can offer several benefits. Productivity boost. Being able to access your tasks and projects without an internet connection can help you stay focused and productive, especially when you're working in environments with limited internet access. Peace of mind. Knowing that you can still access your work, even if your internet connection goes down, can provide peace of mind. Flexibility. Trello's offline mode gives you the flexibility to work on your projects whenever and wherever you want. Tips for using Trello offline effectively. To make the most of Trello's offline mode, here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Before going offline, make sure you have all the information you need. This includes any attachments or links that you might need to reference. Sync regularly. When you're online, make sure to sync your changes frequently to avoid losing any data. Use offline mode wisely. Be mindful of the limitations of offline mode and avoid making major changes or creating new projects while offline. Alternatives to Trello for offline work. If you need a project management tool that offers more robust offline capabilities, there are several alternatives to consider. Asana. Asana offers a built-in offline mode that allows you to view and edit tasks, projects, and teams, even when you're not connected to the internet. Basecamp. Basecamp also provides an offline mode that lets you view and edit projects, tasks, and messages. Todoist. Todoist is a task management app that offers a robust offline mode, allowing you to view, add, and edit tasks, even when you're not connected to the internet. So, does Trello require internet? While it doesn't strictly require an internet connection, there are limitations to its offline mode. If you need a project management tool with more robust offline capabilities, you might want to consider one of the alternatives mentioned earlier. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time.